Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to watch local channels on Spectrum TV app, in-home requirements and location fix. In-home requirements. You must connect your streaming device directly to your Spectrum in-home Wi-Fi network to view local channels. The connected rule. Smart TVs, Roku, Amazon Fire Stick and Apple TV devices will automatically hide or block local network channels if they detect you are using a cellular hotspot, a neighbor's Wi-Fi or an out-of-home network. The modem connection. Your router must pull its internet feed directly from the Spectrum modem assigned to your television service account billing address. Why your local channels are missing location issues. If you are physically at home and connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi but still cannot see your local channels, the app is experiencing a geolocation mismatch. This happens when the Spectrum TV app cannot read your device's physical GPS location. Your internet service provider ISP rotates your dynamic IP address, making it appear as though your modem is located in a different city or state. Steps to turn on device location services. On Roku, go to Settings, find Privacy, then click on Location and ensure it is set to Allowed. On your Amazon Fire TV, go to Settings, then go to Preferences, init Find Location and turn it on. On Apple TV/iOS, go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, init Find Location Service and toggle it on for the Spectrum TV app. On Android/Samsung TV, navigate to the settings, then go to Apps, init Find Spectrum TV, and then go to Permissions and allow location tracking. Power cycle your network equipment. Unplug the power cords from both your modem and your Wi-Fi router and wait for exactly 60 seconds. Then plug the modem back in first and wait for its online light to go solid. Then plug the router back in and wait for the Wi-Fi network to go live. Restart your streaming device and then open the Spectrum TV. Third, clear app cache or reinstall. To clear cache on Android/Samsung, go to Settings, in it go to Apps and find Spectrum TV. Then tap Storage and click on Clear Cache. To reinstall for all devices, uninstall the Spectrum TV app entirely, then restart your TV or streaming stick and download it fresh from the App Store to force a clean login session. Fourth, contact Spectrum support for an IP geocode fix. If your dynamic IP address has been permanently miscategorized in Spectrum's database, you cannot fix it at home. So contact Spectrum customer service and explicitly state, my Spectrum TV app thinks I am out of home because my assigned IP address does not match my physical service address location. The support representative can manually rebind your modem's MAC address and IP to your correct local market node. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.